All right, co-traders. So we had a fantastic weekend. There was one very clear signal, and we traded it, and we dominated it. Okay, and now we do the same thing for the week. So now I invite you to do exactly what I'm doing, and I show you also how easy it is actually to predict the market in Bitcoin using only one single indicator. Stay with me until the end, and I will share with you exclusively what indicator that is. No, but let's look first at my trading platform. So, yeah, I am long now. I'm gonna close the trade automatically if I'm in 500 euro dollar profit, and I'm gonna go out if I'm wrong and I make 10% loss, which is $100, because I'm playing with $1,000 basically, right? So, yeah, so let's go to my trading applications and then I'll show you how easy it is to actually make these moves and predict these moves. Okay? Okay, 1 second. So just to recap, this is the pattern that we traded. Okay, I call it the fuck you pattern, the middle finger pattern. Some people call it the micro tick pattern because the tick is much smaller in comparison to the balls, and it always plays out on the downside. Now, jokingly, I was also calling it the Richard Hart pattern because he fucked everybody. And yeah, and so this is the indicator. On the lower level, you see stock RSI. What does it mean? Stochastic Relative Strength Index. And what a stochastic oscillation is, you can do your own research. I tell you, I'm investing since more than 10 years, and there's just one indicator, and I have met a lot of traders that this is like a lot of professionals, right? People who worked at this New York Stock Exchange, guy like Eric Krohn, I met him personally in Estonia where he opened his business. So yeah, I mean, I think, but the key word is uncomplication. Okay, simplify, because you don't need Fibonacci, you don't need to draw lines and trend lines, and actually you don't need any of it. You have only one indicator, and this is the stochastic RSI. And this one tells you it's a momentum indicator. It will tell you is a good idea to go short, and if yes, for how long. This one is going to play out in the next couple of hours. It actually has already played out. Sorry, that is a screenshot from my trading window from yesterday to make sure. Hey, look, this is the only thing I was looking at. Forget even the part on the chart. Just look at that indicator. Now I'm going to the next picture, which is right now. So that has come down all the way down, um, and we're going now up. That's why I said jokingly as well, uppi uppi go look. Go down, I need some brown, I need some heroin to boost my dopamine. And now we don't need it. We don't need any opium, we don't need heroin. This is pure dopamine rush. Okay, this is pure dopamine heaven. Like if you make money and you see the green candles or you see the red candles and you bet against the market and you see that your simple strategy and your tactic is playing out, it is pure dopamine in your brain. The last thing I'm gonna share is now the long-term view. So this week we're gonna end up in plus. Okay, gonna be above 60,000 again. I'm gonna I see Bitcoin makes at least 5 to 10% move. Uh, and a 5 to 10% move, if you are 10x leverage, it's a 50 to 100%, right? So you double your money, yeah, with a relative low risk. So, but what happened after this week? So for this month, I think we are looking good. It's not going to be a very poor month like statistically September have been, but the real big uptick is probably coming in October. But it could be also happening this month. Anyway, we're going a little bit more down, but not right now. But we're going down. We're gonna test one more time the lower level of this formation, and then we're gonna like the white arrow that points down, and then we're gonna go make a massive jump up. We're not gonna go most likely to 100,000 this year, but it's definitely gonna be above 75,000. 75,000 is also where the stock to flow model is currently. So there's a lot of things that play actually into this. But again, like, you know, what is a stock to flow model? It's like you need to know what this is. You need to know what you're dealing with, right? And let's look at gold. Bitcoin is digital gold, right? I wrote a very long and interesting article on LinkedIn a couple of years ago about Bitcoin and how it relates to gold, and it is how much Bitcoin is still underground in the ground that can be harvested like gold. Well, it's not in the ground; it's in the computer code, but it's actually getting more and more difficult to get the remaining Bitcoin mined. So if you know all that, you know, then you understand technology, you understand the market, you understand investing, you understand momentum, you understand all the other indications that you need to look at. For instance, the Fed is going to reduce rates. We're going to see massive pumps in stock market and everything just go up. And Bitcoin, of course, as well. And gold, probably not so much. So fuck gold. You're a loser if you are into gold. Anyways, that's it, guys. Good luck. Friday, latest, I will make an update on this trade, and maybe I might actually do more this week. Maybe I'm trading a few other things, not only Bitcoin, and maybe, but probably not. At the moment, I am gonna wait until the Fed decision if they're gonna reduce hikes or not, and then I'm gonna then I'm gonna see. Well, so guys, so that's it for now. Thanks and good luck.